Hi, I'm Phelyna Ngu. Welcome to 225 Strand in Melbourne Beach, Florida. If you are looking for a condo, turnkey ready with resort-style amenities, private dock, river to ocean access, this is the condo for you. Let's go take a look.
Don't know what it is that made us so indifferent. We're drifting in the dark.
This unit boasts a nice open floor plan with 2,047 square feet and floor-to-ceiling sliders.
Can we do better than this?
This kitchen offers a nice large island, soft close cabinets, a beautiful backsplash, a wine cooler. It's clearly phenomenal, but the view is even better.
There's something I can seem to let go.
Waking up to this view really isn't too bad, isn't it? Riverfront sunsets are truly astonishing.
This love is ill. I wish that it was different. Don't know what it is that made us so indifferent. We're drifting in the dark. Can we do better? Wish I could rewind
Space Coast exudes the golf cart lifestyle. Let's go take a ride.
this.
The beach is just across the street. Come on.